हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं प्रशांत कुमार सिंह स्वागत करता हूं आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्निकल नॉलेज विथ इंजीनियर्स में। आज हम इस वीडियो में अप्लाइड केमिस्ट्री के यूनिट 6 वाटर टेक्नोलॉजी के कुछ एमसीक्यूज के बारे में देखेंगे जो यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को। हार्डनेस ऑफ वाटर इज ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सॉल्ट कंटेनिंग ब्लैंक मेटल आयन। द ऑप्शंस आर कैल्शियम, कैल्शियम एंड मैग्नीशियम, मैग्नीशियम and sodium. The correct answer is calcium and magnesium. Moving to next question. Select the incorrect statement from the following option. The options are water which does not form lather with soap and forms scum is called hard water. Option B is hard water contains dissolved calcium and magnesium salt in it. Option C is in hard water cleansing quality of soap is depressed. And the last option D is due to the presence of dissolved hardness producing salt, the boiling point of the water is depressed. Here option D is correct. Moving to third question. Select the incomplete statement for permanent hardness from the following option. The options are it is due to the dissolved chloride and sulfate of calcium and magnesium. Option B is it can be removed by mere boiling point of water. Option C is it is also known as non-alkaline hardness. Option D is it is the difference between the total hardness and the alkaline hardness. The correct answer is option number B. It can be removed by mere boiling of water. Moving to question number 4. Hardness due to the presence of bicarbonate, carbonate and hydroxide of calcium and magnesium is called blank hardness. The options are alkaline, option B is non-alkaline, option C is permanent and option D is non-carbonate. The correct answer is alkaline hardness. Moving to question number 5. Hardness of water is conventionally expressed in terms of equivalent amount of options are H2CO3, MgCO3, CaCO3 and 2CO3. The correct answer is CaCO3. Moving to question number 6. The chemical equivalent of MgSO4 salt is options are 60, 47.5, 82 and 68. The correct answer is 60. Question number 7. Which one of the following is not a unit of hardness? Options are part per million, degree centigrade, degree Clerk and degree French. The correct answer is degree centigrade. It is not a unit of hardness. Question number 8 is hardness is determined by accurately and conventionally by options are EDTA method, option B spectrometry method, option C potentiometry method, option D conductometry method. The correct answer is EDTA method. Moving to question number 9. Which of the following is not a result of excess of impurity in boiler feed? Options are scale and sludge formation, centralization, corrosion, caustic embrittlement. The correct answer is centralization. Moving to question number 10. If a precipitate is found is soft, loose and slimy, these are blank. And if the precipitate is hard and adhering on the inner wall, it is called dash. The options are sludge and scale. Option B sludge and scale and sludge. The option C sludge and rottants. Option D scale and rottant. The correct answer is sludge and scale. Moving to question number 11. Which of the following option is incorrect about the sludge? Options are sludge are soft, loose and slimy precipitate. Option B they are non-adherent deposit and can be easily removed. Option C formed generally at heated portion of the boiler. Option D can be removed by blow down operation. The option C is correct, that is formed generally at heated portion of the boiler. Moving to question number 12. The scale decrease the efficiency of boiler and chance of explosion are also there. The options are the and look see here this is a correct and incorrect statement. So moving the options are this statement is correct. Option B this statement is partially correct. Option C this statement is incorrect. Option D this statement is partially incorrect. And the correct answer is this statement is correct. The given statement is correct as it is written. Moving to question number 13. The phenomenon due to which the boiler material become brittle due to the accumulation of caustic substances known as foaming, priming, corrosion or caustic embrittlement. The correct answer is D, caustic embrittlement. Moving to question number 14. When the most common used coagulant? Which is the most common used coagulant? The options are alum, ferric sulfate, limestone, coal. Question number 15. The correct answer of question number 14 is alum. Moving to question number 15. What is the intermediate zone composed of in aerobic and anaerobic forms? Options are algae, option B aerobic bacteria, option C phylactomative bacteria, option D organic solids. The correct answer is option number C, facultative bacteria. Moving to question number 16. Which is not the limitation of zeolite softener? The options are use of turbid water, option B use of water contain mineral acid, option number C use of chloride water containing ions such as Mn2 plus and Fe2 plus, and option number D use of water of different hardness. The option number D is correct, that is use of water of different hardness. Question number 17 is blank is a process which involves further removal of the nitrogen. The options are nitrification, option B denitrification, option C amonification, and option D reduction. The correct answer is denitrification. Moving to question number 18. Which of the following desalination method is more suitable for brackish water than seawater? The options are distillation, solar evaporation, reverse osmosis, and freezing. The option C reverse osmosis is correct. Moving to question number 19. The process in which the blackish water is forced across a permeable membrane by mechanical force. It is called, options are filtration, option B semi-filtration, option C coagulation, and option number D hyperfiltration. The correct answer is hyperfiltration. Moving to question number 20. In which desalination process the salt ion are removed from seawater by means of electric current? The options are distillation, option B electrodialysis, option C reverse osmosis, option number D freezing. The correct answer is electrodialysis. Moving to question number 21. The maximum salt concentration up to which desalination of brackish water is possible by electrodialysis is, options are 1000 ppm, 2000 ppm, 3000 ppm, and 5000 ppm. The correct answer is 5000 ppm. Moving to question number 22. The alkalinity in water is not due to blank. The options are OH minus ions, CO3 2 minus ions, H plus ions, SCO3 minus ion. The correct answer is H plus ions. Question number 23. Look, this is the last question of this video. So the question started is, with respect to the constituents causing alkalinity in water, which of the following situation never arise? The options are CO3 2 minus and SCO3 2 minus together, option B SCO3 minus and OH minus together, option C OH minus only, option number D OH minus and CO3 2 minus together. The correct answer is HCO3 and OH minus together. Okay, this video is enough. So now at last I like to thank you